Hello traders, I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures, Friday morning here to talk to you about the grain markets. Okay, we had the WASDA report yesterday, the January report. Usually WASDA reports, World Agricultural Supply and Demand estimates, bring some surprises to the table, and yesterday was no exception. The USDA lowered acres and yield on soybeans and corn. So we had a big move higher in soybeans and a higher move in corn a little bit. On the report initially yesterday at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time, all the markets, corn, soybeans, and wheat shot higher, and then 5-10 minutes later, the corn market was a little bit lower. So exports are the key here. Continue very good exports this week in corn going forward. So we'll see if that can continue. For our first chart of the day, a daily chart of corn, and see if you can see the oval bottoms on the daily chart of corn. And I'm looking for a cycle low here in January, and certainly so far nothing there, but the market slowly trajectorying higher. So we'll keep talking about that. Okay, the soybean market, certainly when soybeans go up 30 cents, a lot of times you think corn would be up 5 or 10, but soybeans yesterday up 30, soybean meal up 15. Those are big moves in the market. And our next chart, a daily chart of soybeans, you can see all of this resistance on the upside here. So the fundamental of a lot of soybean in the market perhaps going to cap these rallies. So we'll keep talking about that. One thing I want to mention, yesterday's WASDA report, they left the demand for soybeans unchanged. The demand is very good. The crush margins here for soybeans, the export market in soybeans, very strong. What if it's stronger than anybody's talking about? We're going to trade to higher levels and take this resistance out. So we're going to keep talking about that. Exports are the key here, and we're a little bit starting off on a slow pace here in 2017 for soybean export. You can't hit the ball out of the park each and every week, and a lot of analyst traders are saying is some of this export switching to South America. I don't know, but we've got high quality soybeans to sell the world, and I think it's going to continue, so we'll keep talking about that. The wheat market, following the coattails of soybeans yesterday, was higher. It was interesting to report the global wheat stocks inched up a little bit, so a little bit surprising that wheat would rally like it did. Our next chart is a daily chart of wheat, and you can just see I don't think this market is going anywhere, and there's a large short position in wheat. That's why we rally when we do. I think the key to the wheat market going forward is the outside world wheat producers. Australia, Canada come to mind. All of the news here in USA with our low winter wheat planting acres is worked into the market. So wheat more of a follower here with corn and beans going forward. We're closed on Monday. Everybody have an excellent weekend.